Si, say hi, oh.
Hello! Hello! It's telling me.
Binawasan ka ng speed
Oh, what
counter.
happened?
Hindi, okay lang yun. Kasi 10 meters daw dapat eh.
Sino ba nagpapaaral? Nagpapaandar tayo?
Ano lang siya, pag ano, nag-go na siya ng kusa.
Hindi yan, magpidal lang sila.
Trying to give power.
Okay. Ano?
Power.
Pinagmamadali tayo.
Liz, mag-hi ka sa kanya.
Annyeong!
Okay na, mami.
You're so far. Annyeong! Oh my gosh!
Nice!
This is the greatest day. My gosh! Good.
Beautiful!
I haven't seen anything like this before.
Ganda
Oh,
nitong
greatest
attraction
day.
na to.
Ganda ng tubig. Oo, na.
Teka, medyo malapit na tayo.
Oh no. You gotta get. Hey, you gotta get faster.
Ilok, oh. Ganda, oh. What the view.
Oh my gosh, the water is so blue. Like if we did this in Manila, this would be a chaotic one because there's no more nature.
Okay. Ma'am, si, say.
Yeah,
Si Ma'am Samlida.
samida.
Samlida. Give it power now. We're about to speed now.
Pagod yung ano mo, mami. Sago na yun, mami. Okay na.
Ay, ganda, daddy. Your, ano,
Ah, sorry.
Look at the seat. Look at it.
Lee, prepare for the drop.
Look.
The drop.
Yo, there's a drop. What's up?
Ganda. Yeah.
Paano na, mami? Sok mo lang yung daliri mo.
Is there a drop? Mom, is there a drop? Good.
Photo point. Ito, photo point, mami. Picture daw.
Ha?
Photo point. Look here. Oh, ma'am, si look daw dun. Uh-oh. Are we going to the North Korea?
What? Oh, what?
Ha? Ha?
Oh, no.
Ha?
Ganda.
Nagubat tayo.
Daddy?
Oh. Experiencing North Korea jungle.
Tomorrow, we'll experience North Korea tomorrow, Daddy. Tomorrow, the North Korea's episode is coming tomorrow. DMC.
Ganun pa kamalag.
That's the next
Pang
episode.
ganun.
So I can see. Yo, like, let's just give a video. Oh my.
Ganda. Excited pala ito.
Convert nila yung old rail tracks na
Hala, baka may lumabas na dinosaur.
sa creek pa. Baka may magnanakaw doon. Lee, no smoking, okay? Ano naman?
Hindi mo.
You're so creative.
Oh, drop! Drop! It's a drop!
Why? Why are you?
Look, sa front. May gilid ka na kada para makita. Look, Lee, sa front. Woo!
This is so fast. No, why are we so fast? Yeah, you're slower. Faster, guys. Stop being so slow. Auntie, why are they so slow?
Oh,
For?
ito.
Oh, thank God.
Sa scene ka tumingin mo dyan sa paa.
Apa?
Ganda, oh. May crosswalk.
Ano naman yan? Oh my, why are we going slower?
Di may nagko-cross kasi sa street.
Alright. Let's go faster. So is this, like, how many minutes do we still got?
Tapa pa. 30 minutes pa. Nakaka 9 minutes pa lang tayo.
Really? There's still
Yes.
30 minutes on. Do you think I will enjoy this, Daddy?
Ay, tapos pabalik ganun ulit.
Oo.
Baka 2020.
Oo. Sameda.
Annyeong!
Turistang.
Annyeong!
Hello.
Annyeong! Annyeong!
Hindi, ibang group yun.
That is the babalik. Let's go down. Is that truth? Mami, do you have the confidence to say anyong?
Meron din kahit gabi, ano, iilaw eh.
Hanggang 5 ang last trip.
Di abot kaya tayo sa real park? Or nasa real bike tayo?
Umabot, oh.
Ganda naman eh.
Ay, hindi. Sila JP di sumama eh, no? Sayang. Enjoy sila dito. Hello, Anya.
Hello! Yeah, it depends on who you are. I'll switch languages if
Frozen ng camera.
Hi. Ganda naman yung itsura. Kita mo ba nga siya?
Oh, ganda eh.
Okay.
Parang maganda rin siguro pag gabi, no? Daddy.
Woo! 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 Oh my gosh!
Late sa Tesla.
When are we going to the tunnel?
Okay.
We still have 30 minutes! How about 20? Kasi mga 28 pa yata minutes dito. Pero okay lang, di ba?
Oo, ganda eh.
Paano kung sa mga Manila squatter area, tapos pupuntang 13?
Hirap ka. Init.
Daddy,
Yes.
Daddy, this will be worth it, right? Oh, okay lang kahit 28 minutes pa?
Yes.
Mami, okay lang kahit mga 30 minutes pa?
Oo.
Daddy, how about tong Manila area? Manila?
Okay, tati.
Daddy, Daddy, paano kung Manila? Manila area? Okay lang kahit 30 minutes pa? Pag Manila. Pag Manila. Pag Manila. Pag Manila, gusto ko pa okay lang kahit 20 minutes. Tapos water area ang dito, okay lang. Mami, wala pa ako nakitang usok dito.
Oo nga eh.
Sa Pilipinas, agad may usok po.
Tagal, no? Haba rin, no?
Mga residential.
Maganda ng bahay, no? Kaya na. Liam, your face.
Daddy,
Liam.
I want to go, I'm pedaling, so we got go faster.
Ha?
Nagpipidal. Konti na pa nagpipidal, oh.
Okay na yun, Liam. Baka pagod yung paa mo.
Pwede to.
Wala na eh. Pedal ka naman. Para bang bilis ka. Wala na, Lee. Ito na fastest.
Parang naka-auto ano yun.
Ano na side vlog mo? Ah,
Clear hand, Lee. Stop. Bawal daw yan. Liam, lumilabas kamay mo. Bawal. Baka masabit ka sa mga. Ay, na mga di agronomiya. O horticultura. Ano, hotel yun, no? Pero mukhang abandon. Sayang, no?
Abandon.
Ayun, no?
We're going to that abandon. But this is not abandoned, right? Because it's still being used.
Yes.
Ito, walang halaman.
Before, di ba, this was train rock, train wheels.
Anyang sa'yo.
Anyang!
Yung lapot na nasa likod natin.
Ha?
Mami, magsalita ka naman po. Ayaw, magsalita po.
Hindi, kanina yung throat mo naman. Mamamaos ka na.
Sabi na.
Silip. Turistang. Cute.
Tourist ang kapatid.
Kayo hindi turista. Kayo parang mga... Oh! Wait! Anyo sa'yo! Anyong! Oh my gosh!
Oh, malamdaris.
Kasi masaya rin pala yung mga countryside tour, no? Kaya
Ha?
masaya din yung mga
Alin?
countryside tour. Kasi yung sa city lang.
Relaxing din yun.
Oo. Look, Leo, ang ganda ng view, oh. Oo.
Wow. Ito yung stopover.
Stop mo, bro.
Ayun, daan bunga.
Ay, ganda, oh. Liam lang ha.
Ay, ang daming tanim na sili.
Marsimon.
Ayan. Horticultura. Ay, Pekay.
Isa pa daan din eh.
Where's the tunnel, Daddy?
Baka next pa.
천천히 페달을 보세요. 천천히 페달.
Daddy, what about the tunnel? I thought we were going to a tunnel.
Hindi pa tapos. 19 minutes pa lang.
19?
Sige, mami, okay na.
19?
Yes, okay, ah. Pause ko muna for the...
Hindi naman ata pabalik yun, no? Same lang.
Ano gagawa
Ah.
dito?
Ano po, stopover pa. Gusto po mag-CR. Ganito po.
Tapos, dito ulit tayo sasakay.
Opo, pabalik lang din pa.
Ay, may mga nakapark na madami.
Where are we going, Daddy? Are we going there?
Going back na.
I thought there's a tunnel.
Maghintay ka lang. Hintayin mo lang.
Tunnel ba? Saan?
Babalik.
Di ba pa ang daan sa balik?
Ewan ko, basta tingnan na.
Ayan na, ito.
We're going back.
Bakit nag-claim yung pictures?
Lee, what can you say?
Tingnan natin yung picture na.
Oh wait, it's not done. We're not going back again.
Don't touch it down.
27.
Bababa ata dito. Tapos,
Pinipihit doon.
bababa nga, papark doon.
Eh, ba't natin malalang ito ulit?
Check the ano.
Check the number.
Check the front number of the bicycle. 298.
298 tayo.
Ay,
Kaya may mga nakatigil.
Front ba?
ano to? 298.
Anong oras ang balik?
Ang ganda.
Ano naman?
Pero may iba bumabalik na.
Ito pala yung brake.
Ay, kamusta ka?
Front number, check daw. So yan yan, 298.
Iba pa yung daan pabalik.
Hindi ko pa alam niya eh. Tingnan natin.
Pinipihit. Papikit.
Same lang ata.
Si...
Brake.
Okay.
Brake.
I thought this had a tunnel.
Well, let's wait.
Tatandaan yung number ng bike.
Oh.
Ooh!
No brake.
No break.
안녕하세요.
Yeah.
Okay, check this number.
Okay.
When you go back, take same one.
Same one.
Same one.
Okay. So we stop here?
Yeah. Park over there.
Park? Okay.
And rest.
The rest? Okay. How many minutes?
Maybe 10 minutes.
10, okay.
Oh.
Thank you.
Nanti
Samida.
what 10 minutes?
Thank you ka.
Samida!
Rest daw dito 10 minutes.
Rest of them. Mga masyad.
298. Picturean mo na.
Is another route or we're just
Do you
going
remember 298?
Apo.
Our
Daddy,
number.
are we going to a different route or are we going back to the old station?
Di yung tandaan mo ating sasakyan.
Daddy,
Yes.
I have a question. Are we going to another route or are we going back?
I don't know. This is the first time ko lang dito.
I wish we're also going to a different route.
I think so.
Kaya may blanket sila. Naka-shorts ba? No?
Break.
Okay, thank you.
Don't brake.
Okay. Rest muna.